Welcome back. We'll start from where we stopped last time. That is, the time and frequency of irrigation depend on three factors. Let's begin with first crop-based irrigation. Some crop plants require more water while others need less water. Each crop needs a specific amount of water during the various stages of its growth and ripening. For example, paddy crop, that is rice crop, is transplanted in standing water and requires continuous irrigation, whereas other crops like wheat, gram and cotton, etc. do not require so much water. For cereal crops like wheat, irrigation is needed at only 3 stages: before plowing the field, at the time of flowering, and at the time of development of grain. Now, soil-based irrigation. Irrigation also depends on the nature of the soil in which the crop is grown. There are two important types of soils in which the crops are grown: sandy soil and clayey soil. Sandy soil needs more frequent irrigation due to its poor water retaining capacity. As we know, sandy soil is highly porous, having high permeability, so when we irrigate the crops standing in a sandy soil, then water quickly percolates down the soil and the crop plants are not able to absorb adequate amount of water. On the other hand, clay soil is much less permeable than sandy soil, due to which it can retain water for a much longer time. So, when the crop grown in a clay soil is irrigated, the water remains in the soil for a longer time and hence the plants can absorb this water in adequate amount. Now third, season-based irrigation. The frequency of irrigation of crops also varies from season to season. In summers, the frequency of irrigation is higher. It is due to the increased rate of evaporation of water from the soil and the leaves. On the other hand, the frequency of irrigation of the crops is comparatively lower in the colder winter season. That's it. Next time we are going to begin with sources of irrigation.